Hello there. April has been a very dry month so far. Lots of sunshine around and temperatures a little bit cooler than where they should be really for this time of year. And that theme continues. Again, a lot of sunshine. This is the picture at the moment in Roybridge, Highland. Still some snow sitting on top of the peaks there, so the air mass is still quite cold. And through the rest of the weekend, it's turning a little bit cooler. Tomorrow, a bit more cloud around, a bit more of an easterly breeze as well, but certainly dry because high pressure well and truly dominating things at the moment. A few more isobars on the map towards the south and southwest. So this is where we've got the breezier conditions. That breeze blowing in through the English Channel towards the southwest of England as well, but lighter winds elsewhere and a little bit of high cloud just drifting around. So the sunshine turning a touch hazy through the afternoon for some of us. In those light winds and the sunshine, west is best in terms of temperature, getting up to about 19, possibly 20 degrees. Touch cooler around that east coast where you've got the breeze coming in from the sea and a little bit more cloud drifting around at times. But if you suffer from a hay fever, you probably already have noticed that we've got high levels of pollen out there at the moment. Now into this evening, we've got clear blue skies for most areas as we head through into sunset, and then overnight clear skies, light winds for most of us away from the far south. So it's going to be another cold night with temperatures getting down to freezing or even a little bit below for a few rural spots, probably remaining a few degrees above freezing further south. Now through the day tomorrow, similar to today, again another dry day, again lots of sunshine, but there'll be a bit more clouds starting to drift in around eastern counties of England in particular. That easterly breeze continuing through the English Channel, the Channel Islands, southwest England quite breezy once again. Lighter winds elsewhere though, away from the south, and temperatures probably just down a notch on what we've got today. So still up to about 16 or 17 towards the west, but around that east coast only around about 10 or 11 degrees, so a little below par for this time of year. And many of us are really hoping for a bit of rain for our gardens. There could be just some of it pushing in from the north on Monday. So Monday, perhaps a few showers, particularly across parts of Scotland. Nothing heavy or persistent. Much of the rest of the UK remaining dry on Monday, but a few of those showers perhaps working their way a bit further south for Northern Ireland, Northern England, for instance, as we head through into Tuesday as well. But England and Wales remaining predominantly dry through much of the week ahead, and those temperatures starting to take a little bit of a dip once again. But you can find more details on the 10-day weather forecast by heading to our website.
Sarah.
It is, Martin. Yeah, we've got blue skies, we've got some sunshine out there, but it is fairly chilly, so still quite a cold air mass with us. Temperatures particularly overnight and first thing in the morning at the moment, certainly on the chilly side. But through the remainder of the weekend, things staying dry and bright too, but it is turning a little bit cooler during tomorrow, especially towards the east where there'll be a bit more cloud. We have got some cloud out there this afternoon, a little bit of high cloud drifting south across central parts of England, Wales too. But temperatures once again getting up to about 19 degrees or so for western parts of the UK. Closer to the east coast, it is a little bit cooler, and it's breezy through the English Channel towards the southwest of England with lighter winds elsewhere. But things are staying dry through the evening and overnight too, so another chilly night to come. We're going to see temperatures falling to around about freezing, perhaps a few degrees below, especially in the north, staying just about above freezing towards the south. Tomorrow, still a breeze in the south and a bit more cloud drifting in across eastern counties of England. Best of the sunshine again further west, but a little cooler than today, around 10 to 17 degrees. Afternoon, our dry spell of April weather is set to continue. No rain in the forecast, certainly for the rest of the weekend. An increasing chance that some of us will see a little bit of wet weather through the course of next week. But this is the picture out there in Highland at the moment. Beautiful blue skies, pretty warm weather there. Still some snow on top of the mountains though. And for the rest of the weekend, things are staying dry but turning a little bit cooler tomorrow. And we've got a bit more of an easterly breeze developing. High pressure very much dominating things at the moment. The isobars a little bit closer together towards the south, and that's a sign that things are quite breezy at the moment, particularly through the English Channel, the Channel Islands, southwest of England, seeing some gusty winds through the rest of today, and a bit of high cloud just drifting around here and there through central and eastern parts of England in particular. But staying dry and temperatures doing quite well in the west, up to about 19 degrees or so. Cooler around the east coast where you've got that onshore breeze. We have still got high levels of pollen for much of the UK. If you are a hay fever sufferer, just bear that in mind. Across much of England, Wales, Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, high levels of tree pollen through the afternoon. Now into the evening hours then, dry with blue sky until the sun sets, and then overnight clear skies, light winds for most of us, still a bit of a breeze in the south. So temperatures in the south probably a few degrees above freezing, but getting down to freezing or even a bit below in the countryside further north for Sunday morning. Touch of frost then. First thing for some of us, a chilly start, but again, lots of sunshine on offer. A little bit more cloud tomorrow, just drifting in around some eastern counties of England in particular. Quite breezy for the likes of Kent, towards Cornwall as well. But further north, we've got less of a breeze around, and temperatures probably down a notch compared to what we've got out there today. Still up to about 17 degrees or so for some western parts, but only around about 10 or 11 degrees closer to that east coast, and you've got the onshore breeze as well. And then if you are crossing your fingers for a bit of rainfall, we have got an area of low pressure approaching the north of Scotland on Monday. It's not going to bring anything widespread or heavy in terms of rainfall, but certainly some showers affecting parts of Scotland, perhaps one or two of them spreading into northern England and Northern Ireland later on Monday and into Tuesday as well. But further south across England and Wales, staying dry certainly for the first part of next week. So one or two showers around into next week, particularly further north, staying drier further south for the here and now, and temperatures dipping down, so staying a little bit cooler than we'd expect for this time of year, and do expect further nighttime frosts. Bye-bye.